Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence could be our ally in the fight against climate change? As we grapple with the reality of our rapidly changing environment, the intersection of artificial intelligence and climate change presents a glimmer of hope. You see, AI isn't just about robots or fancy tech. It's a tool, a powerful tool that can enhance our ability to analyze environmental data and identify patterns that could lead to more effective solutions. AI's potential in this space is immense. Picture this. Our ecosystem is a vast, complex network of interlacing factors, each playing its part in driving climate change. Now imagine trying to understand this network's intricacies using traditional methods. Exhausting, right? Enter artificial intelligence. AI, with its ability to process vast datasets, allows us to gain a deeper understanding of this complex network and the factors that drive climate change. Think of AI as a master decoder, tirelessly working to decipher the language of our environment. It sifts through mountains of data, making sense of the seemingly senseless and revealing the patterns hidden within. This understanding is crucial, as it informs our strategies to combat climate change, ensuring that they are data-driven, precise, and effective. But AI doesn't stop at understanding, it also helps us adapt. As the climate changes, so does our environment and the challenges we face. AI's role in climate change adaptation is gaining attention for its potential to support complex decision-making and implement precise, real-time solutions in data-scarce environments. Using innovative methods like supervised learning, transfer learning, reinforcement learning, and multimodal learning, AI can tailor adaptation measures to diverse groups, fostering effective synergies and navigating trade-offs. So, here we have it. A promising tool, a potential game-changer in the fight against climate change. The intersection of AI and climate change is a frontier of hope, a beacon of potential in a sea of uncertainty. AI could be the new frontier in our battle against climate change, but how exactly does it help us? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this fascinating topic. Imagine being able to monitor climate changes in real time. Would that give us an edge in our fight? This is where the power of artificial intelligence comes into play. AI offers us the ability to keep an eye on our planet's health, assessing vulnerabilities and delivering insights like never before. But how does it work? AI, in essence, is a powerhouse of data analysis, capable of processing vast amounts of information in real time. It identifies patterns, trends, and anomalies, giving us a live, dynamic picture of our changing climate. This isn't just about observing the weather from one day to the next. It's about understanding how our ecosystems are shifting and evolving, how sea levels are rising, how forest cover is changing, and how pollution is impacting our air quality. Now let's consider some examples. Imagine a system that can predict a drought before it happens, enabling us to take preventive measures, or an algorithm that can identify areas most vulnerable to flooding, allowing us to reinforce defenses before the waters rise. These are the kinds of actionable insights that AI can provide. But there's more. AI isn't just about predicting the future, it's also about understanding the present. With real-time data analysis, we can monitor the effects of climate change as they happen. We can see how a heat wave is impacting a city or how a coral reef is responding to warmer ocean temperatures. We can track the migration of animals as they adapt to changing habitats. This real-time monitoring isn't just about gathering data, it's about understanding the intricate dance of our ecosystems, the push and pull of cause and effect. It's about seeing the immediate impacts of our actions and making informed decisions to mitigate them. By offering us insights before our very eyes, AI enables us to take immediate actions. It empowers us to respond to climate change in a timely, effective manner, providing us with an invaluable tool in our ongoing battle to safeguard our planet. We've seen how AI can help us understand climate change, but can it also guide us in adapting to this change? As we grapple with the ever-growing complexities of our changing climate, the role of artificial intelligence in climate change adaptation is gaining attention, and for good reasons. AI, with its ability to sift through massive amounts of data and discern patterns, can support complex decision-making and implement precise, real-time solutions. This is especially crucial in data-scarce environments where conventional methods may fall short. But how exactly does AI accomplish this? The answer lies in innovative methods such as supervised learning, transfer learning, reinforcement learning, and multimodal learning. Let's delve a little deeper. Supervised learning, for instance, involves training an AI system using labeled data to predict outcomes. This can be instrumental in predicting future climate patterns based on historical data. On the other hand, Transfer learning allows AI to apply knowledge from one task to another. This could help us understand how changes in one part of the ecosystem might impact another. Reinforcement learning, a type of AI that learns from trial and error, can be used to identify the most effective strategies for climate change adaptation. It's like playing a game of chess with nature, where the AI learns the best moves over time. Finally, multimodal learning enables AI to process and integrate information from different sources, such as satellite imagery, weather data, and even social media posts. This holistic approach can provide a more comprehensive understanding of climate change impacts and potential adaptation strategies. The beauty of AI is that it can tailor these adaptation measures to diverse groups. Whether it's coastal communities facing rising sea levels, or farmers grappling with unpredictable weather patterns, AI can help identify the most effective strategies for each specific scenario. In doing so, it fosters effective synergies and navigates the inevitable trade-offs that come with climate change adaptation. AI, with its advanced learning methods, can tailor adaptation measures to diverse groups, fostering effective synergies and navigating trade-offs. Through the power of AI, we're not just understanding climate change better, but also learning how to adapt and thrive in a changing world. So, we've seen how AI can monitor and adapt to climate change, but what's the real value it brings to the table? Artificial intelligence, or AI, offers an incisive tool for climate change efforts. It's like a superpowered microscope, magnifying our understanding of the complex factors driving climate change. It can sift through colossal amounts of data, identifying patterns that would otherwise remain hidden from our human gaze. This ability to process and analyze vast data sets is crucial in our fight against climate change. But the value of AI doesn't stop there. It's not just a tool for understanding, it's a guide for action. AI can provide actionable insights, enabling us to adapt our behaviors and systems to mitigate the impacts of climate change. It's like a compass, pointing us in the direction of effective solutions. AI's role in climate change adaptation is particularly noteworthy. It can support complex decision-making, helping us to navigate the intricate web of climate change challenges. It can implement precise, real-time solutions, even in data-scarce environments. This is where AI's innovative methods come into play: supervised learning, transfer learning, reinforcement learning, and multimodal learning. These techniques allow AI to tailor adaptation measures to diverse groups, fostering effective synergies and navigating trade-offs. In this sense, AI is a facilitator of collaboration. It enables us to work together more effectively in our shared mission to tackle climate change. It helps us to understand the impacts of climate change on different groups and to balance the needs and interests of all stakeholders. So the value of AI in climate change efforts is multidimensional. It enhances our understanding, guides our actions, and facilitates our collaboration. It's a powerful tool in the multifaceted approach needed to tackle climate change. It's a game changer, a catalyst for positive change. AI is not just about understanding the impacts of climate change, but also about providing actionable guidance for our adaptation efforts. Now that we've seen the potential AI holds for tackling climate change, what could the future look like? Let's dive into the possibilities. Looking ahead, AI holds immense potential in accelerating positive impacts on our planet. Through its ability to analyze vast data sets and predict trends, it can provide us with a deeper understanding of our intricate ecosystem and the complex factors driving climate change. Imagine AI models predicting extreme weather patterns with unprecedented precision, enabling us to brace for storms long before they hit. Picture AI algorithms identifying the most effective reforestation areas, maximizing carbon capture and fostering biodiversity. Envision AI systems streamlining renewable energy production, optimizing energy grids and reducing emissions. But as much as we can revel in the potential of AI, it's essential not to overlook the challenges and limitations that need to be addressed. AI is a tool, and like any tool, its effectiveness depends on how it's used. Data bias is one such challenge. If the data fed into AI systems is skewed or incomplete, the predictions and solutions it offers will be too. Ensuring that the data we use is representative of the diverse world we live in is crucial. Another challenge is the energy consumption of AI systems. As these systems grow more complex, they require more computing power, which in turn can lead to increased carbon emissions. Finding a balance between the benefits of AI and its environmental footprint is a challenge that needs tackling. Let's not forget, AI is just one aspect of the multifaceted approach needed to combat climate change. It can provide us with insight, analysis, and potential solutions, but it can't implement policy changes or shift societal behaviors. Those actions rest with us, the stewards of this planet. While AI is not a silver bullet, it certainly presents a promising tool in our fight against climate change. Together with other efforts, we can hope for a greener future,